I made these mini speckled egg cakes with malted milk ball frosting. To make malted milk ball frosting, you'll need 2 cups of butter, 3/4 cup of melted milk powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a splash of milk, and 4 to 6 cups of powdered sugar. My favorite color is glitter because it has like every color in it. So what I liked about making 3 mini cakes is that I didn't have to choose just one color. I decided one cake was going to be blue, one was going to be pink, and one was going to be yellow. My color choices were inspired by those little malted speckled egg candies. When I frost each cake, I start out with what's called a crumb coat just to catch all the crumbs. Then I freeze or refrigerate the cake for about an hour and go back over the cake with a second layer of frosting and smooth it out. A turntable helps with this whole process. I kind of imagine myself as Amanda Cupcake, Cupcake DJ. Now it's time for some messy play. Chocolate speckles. I just mix a little bit of hot water and a little bit of cocoa until it's thin enough to make speckles. I don't know about you, but I love messy play. It didn't bother me one bit that the speckles got all over my kitchen and all over my cake boards. I can always lift the cakes off my cake boards and change them later, or just leave the speckles there for an artistic look. I don't know which one is my favorite. They are all so cute and so beautiful. The blue is definitely like traditional melted milk egg, but I think I like the yellow the best because the speckles just pop. Next time, I think I want to try multicolored speckles.